going straight into this one. This is a little behind the scenes of how I'd sort of direct for my boudoir scenes, for some posing, some pointers, some tips and tricks. So you can see in this video, this is POV, just literally my point of view and how I see the model, how I see the shoots, the symmetry, because I love my symmetry, everything has to be straight. But you guys can see how I work and my workflow and how I interact with the model. You went that leg up?
This one?
Yeah, knee up. Yeah, that's it. And
Do you
then
want the knee more out though? Or do you like it?
yeah, in.
This way?
Yeah. That's bad. No. Yeah, that's ooh, fire. Love that.
Any like laying towards you or away from you?
Both. Either and shuffle bit this way. That's it. Hold that. Hold that pose. Love that. Nice. Nice, hold that. Yeah, hold that, that's banging. A bit more this way? Yeah, that's it.
Do you like that?
Yeah. Fire. And then see your top half, bring it just a bit towards me. That's it.
Do you like those?
Yeah.
These are like staggered.
Both. Do both. Fire. That's it. Banging. Wait, do that pose straight dead onto me. Like
this?
Yeah.
You mean to look at you?
Yeah.
Like this?
A little.
Wider?
No. Like move your bum this way. Your bum, just your bum. That way.
This way? This way?
Like shift your whole body.
Oh!
That shift, yeah, that's
Is it
it.
just my
Wait, a little bit,
way?
that way now. Stop. Yeah, right there.
Okay.
Fire. Hold on, hold that. Nice. Fire. Keep moving. You keep moving. You can freestyle it. Hold that. That's the one right there. Hold that. Jeez. Okay. Fire. And you can do something like your head down.
Here?
Yeah.
How was it? How was your evening? Did you do anything or you just
Like here?
Yeah. Hold that.
That's the full sleep.
Banging. Hold that. That's nice. Love that. And then point that toe bit up a bit more. That's it. Perfect. Hold that. Bang. A quick interruption to show you our up and coming events. Come and shoot with me and the team, network, and let's create some excellent memories. Not only memories, some incredible content. Show you how to shoot, how I shoot boudoir, some YouTube tips, social media tips, Let's come together and make some magic. Go to collectivetravel.com and check out when our next events are. One of my faves, Valentina, which you've probably seen on my channel before and definitely on my page, will be attending both of these events. If you want to shoot with her, get some incredible content, come and check out the collectivetravel.com again, guys, and let's get on with the rest of the video. Love that. Hold. That's it, that's it. And then look at me. Bang. Let me get some face in the light. Just gonna see. Yeah, yeah. Come a bit closer so your face is in the light. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, yeah, chuck that over there. That's it. Yeah, that's fine. That's nice. Look, to do that same pose, let's just do it here quick. It's a bit nicer here. The tiles bit.
Do you want me to kneel like that again?
Yeah.
Sitting on one leg, or do you like them in the middle?
Let's do more. Don't do couple like this. Oh yes, this is the one. Actually, you know what? Come a lot closer. Come like almost like here. Actually, no.
I'm like, is there
Yeah, because your leg.
Maybe here.
Maybe if your bum's here.
Okay.
If your bum's just there. That's cool. Yeah, that's perfect. Nice. Amazing. And then we had the 1 foot up again.
Which one?
Yeah. Oh, you had it like flat. It's not weatherproof, is it?